Hi guys, today we have Huawei Mate 8 battery replacement. You need T3 screwdriver to remove the first two screws. Before we continue, we are going to remove the SIM card slot. It's important to remove it. Then we are going to remove the housing from the screen. It's easy to remove the housing. You just need to swipe it using your nail, or you can use plastic tool like playing cards, the plastic one, not with the carton. You need to swipe all around the edges, then the housing will removed. This operation is easy and sometimes took few time, like 2 to 3 minutes. Sometimes the housing could be stuck. Okay, it's removed now. We have fingerprint flex cable. We need to remove it. Now we are going to remove the shield protecting the battery flex cable and the LCD flex cable and the charging port connecting to main board flex cable. Unplug the battery, unplug the flex cable and unplug the screen flex cable. When removing the screen flex cable, be careful when you remove this flex cable. Under it there is capacitors and resistors etc. So if you damage them, the touch screen will stop working. This happened to me without I noticed. I power on the device and the device was touch freezing. I had to lock what I did. I had noticed some capacitors and resistors are got out from the board. I had to resolder them back to make the phone and the touch working again. So be careful. As you saw, we need to test the battery before replacement. It's important to test it before removing the old one. You can remove from the edges. Then we are going to put plastic piece under the battery to remove it. You can heat the screen at 2 Celsius degree for 30 seconds so the adhesive beneath the screen and the battery can go soft, and then we can remove the battery easily. Dealing with battery is very dangerous. You need to take careful of yourself. Hauling or damaging or curb the battery could hurt yourself. So it's safety first. While you're doing this, don't curve too much, just a little to put something like plastic tool inside. As you can see, these plastic tools, we need to push them inside and then we can swipe and remove the battery without any damage. It happens from in front of my eyes. The battery exploded to one of my friend and he got away in the last second. The battery has flashes and flying fire on the chair and on the desk. Thank God he got away and he didn't hurt. The battery exploded because he curved the battery too much, making the battery to go warm and then explode. The warm warmed him to go away from the battery. This is the sign. If you feel the battery goes warm, then leave the battery and survive your life and your head and your hands. As you can see, swiping with the plastic tool will make you safety. There is no dangerous of this. You can continue and you can hit on the screen to make the adhesive soft, and then we can continue with the plastic tool. Do it over and over until the battery removed. It's almost removed. Don't take it out at once. Remove it one by one easily. Watch out the screen flex cable and the board flex cable. If you think you are going to hurt them, you need to tie them with adhesive on the screen. They can be hurt easily. Now put the new battery on position and then plug the screen flex cable and the board, connecting the main board flex cable, and that's it. There is nothing else we need to do. You just need to assemble back, and that's it. Put back all pieces as it was. If you had liked this video, don't forget to support me by like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.